Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to change your card PIN on Capitec app. Open TGE Capitec app on your phone and make sure it is the latest update, and if you do not have the app, open Play Store or App Store and search Capitec app. Download and install the app. Launch the app and log in to your account. To change your Capitec card PIN using the Capitec app, you can do that. Tap the menu in the top right corner. Select Settings. Choose Update Remote PIN. Enter your current PIN. Enter a new PIN that is 5 or 6 digits long. Confirm the new PIN. Here are some tips for keeping your PIN safe. Don't use a PIN that is easy to guess. Don't use the same PIN for your phone and your bank card. Use a different PIN for your banking app and your bank card. Avoid repeating numbers, such as 2244. Don't use a pattern on the keypad to select a PIN. Never use your banking PIN as your password for other accounts. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.